and is on top. Very good one here. You can't say yes to everything and not say yes to taking care of yourself. Make sure a yes to someone else isn't a no to yourself. You can't say yes to everything and not say yes to taking care of yourself. Make sure a yes to someone else isn't a no to yourself. That is so powerful, right? You can just like fold this back and just listen and again and make sure that you kind of understand exactly what's going on. Despite all the issues with the trains, I'm going to go out. Hopefully there's no like real cancellations that will affect my journey today. I'm also thinking and contemplating on getting my hair done probably this weekend. We'll see how it goes, see how I feel. If not, I'll just continue to straighten it out until I feel, because again, even my own hair I may say no to it because I need to think about myself, like the energy that I have, even though, you know, my head is part of my body. But you guys know what I'm saying, right? Am I making sense around here? Yeah, I hope I am. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. And for those who engage with me in the comment section, for those who really watch my video, like really watch my video and get like the meaning out of it, because sometimes my videos are very, very full of parables. Trust me. Yeah, I can. And so when you engage with me, I understand and I can feel the connection and I can see that you are relating to exactly what is in my video. With that being said, let's go. But do not say yes to everything else and no to yourself. Like, no, honey, go look after yourself. I've actually concluded that I'm going to get my hair done, I think, yeah, on the weekend. So with my hairdresser, I called her anytime that I want to. I don't really care. She's so used to it. So I called her up. I'm like, I can't bother typing. Can you fit me in on Saturday? So she's like, yeah, sure. She was like, Tanya, your last minute bookings need to be sorted out. Sorry, I mean, this is a locker room, okay? So if you see this, it's the new jam. Yeah, so I was like, yeah, I need to be touched up because these days I'm not looking on point. You know what I'm saying? But we still make an effort. Train journey wasn't bad this morning at all. It was 2 minutes delayed, a little bit on my first train, but it was fine. So yeah, I was not running hot and sticky and whatever, but it was super, super packed and I managed to get to work on time. So that is quite good. Some of you may work from home and some of you, you know, you may be your holiday, you may be in the tropics, I don't know, but we are here. And plus it's raining. I hope it does not rain on Saturday, because every time I go to get my hair done, why is the rain falling? I don't understand. And then you're leaving and you're like, it's just like, but look, I've got so much hair growth, it's crazy. But yeah, let me go. But I've concluded Saturday is the day we're gonna touch up. It's not that I'm gonna do anything different, it's just still the same. It's like really just fringe, you know, just to hide my forehead. So my forehead is so big, so I'm just gonna put it back. That's it. Listen, you can know when the hair needs doing, because I've been out here straightening out this hair like crazy and it's like done out hair. So yeah, it is so good that I'm gonna get it done, because lots of the poor little straightener is struggling to straighten it out. But you know, we're gonna just do this and it's just one more day and then yeah, we're just gonna get it done finally, and we're gonna look like, you know, we're getting back into some sort of normality. But I must say, not all the time I'm gonna be looking all dandy and shandy, because not all the time I also wear makeup. Yeah, so but I'm doing the hair and I'm like, oh my God, and I keep going like this and I keep going. I was like, yeah, you're really done our hair. It's your time has expired in my head. So, and like I said before, it's nothing new. It's just going to be the same fringe and stuff like that. But one more day, I can master this. Who cares? Oh. Everything that I'm doing in the morning, I constantly have to keep checking at the time, because in no time, because I've got like the 7:45 train that I need to catch. It's so crazy. And then I'm supposed to probably be meeting up with one of my friends. Well, we used to work together, so I will see how that goes. And obviously it's Friday, so we may just meet up and have a little bit of catch up and stuff like that, because you know we got to do that sometimes. Yeah, we used to work together. The thing with hospitality is that working in hospitality, let me tell you something, you meet some fabulous people, and of course you do meet some awful people. I tend to meet, you know, a lot of good people, and so my friendship with them, it just goes a long way, that we tend to forget that we actually met through work. Oh my god, think about it. I remember when I first started as switchboard operator, I think I mentioned that briefly in one of my videos. Let me tell you something, at one point I used to call in sick all the time. Yes, I used to call in sick all the time, especially when I was on late shift. And late shift was like from 3 to 11. I'm like, no. And especially in the summertime, I'm like, who wants to go to work when the weather is popping in London, the park is packed? I used to call in sick, and my ex-boss, actually, he found out I did. And I was just calling in sick. I'm not feeling very well. One time I called in sick and then went on the high street. Yes, I did. And when I went on the high street, I saw a colleague from my workplace who knew that I called in sick from the previous days, and so I said that I won't be able to make it for the next couple of days, so I'm off. And when she saw me, she was like, oh Tanya, I was like, I'm just going into the chemist to see if I could top up on some medicine. That went back to work. I've never done that again. Oh my god, that was back in 2005. We've grown. We have grown now. I get up every day, even if I'm not well, and I'm pushing forward. But anyway, we'll see how later on go with meeting up with one of my friends, and see if we can manage to fit in depending on how the train works. And then it's gonna get glammed up tomorrow. Take you along with me. Let's go. Also, things happening here at Clapham Junction. I hardly actually come out to the main high street. I'm always inside of the station, going from train to trains. So I'm gonna meet him at the restaurant. I'm gonna go. My god, it's so busy. I'm actually gonna go over there. I'm gonna go over there. And that up there is Clapham Junction Station. Oh my god, it's so busy. I have no appointment. Appointment? What am I talking about? Appointment? I've got no reservation. Appointments? Got no reservation. And I'm just gonna walk in. It's just a table for two. Sorry, darling. Ooh, it looks packed in there. Thank you for pouring it for me. That is so amazing.
Thank you very
I know
much.
you put a little bit of lemon in it as well, so that's really good. Thank you. This time my friend is late. She said she doesn't know how to get out of the station, and she said 2 minutes. I'm so shocked. I was speaking to the guy that is going to serve. I don't think you guys are gonna hear anything, so lots of words anyway. You will take charge. I want to have a nice cocktail, but it needs to be colorful, no?
Oh, colorful.
Colorful is going to sort it out. Just personalize it.
And loved by many is the Queen Bee. I probably see them, mine personally, I think about 50 a day. Then I would follow with my favourite, which is the Diavola. That is our award winner. I think it was last year that we just won, I think it was Pizza of the Summer.
Oh.
So our head chef favourite is spicy ragu. I love spice. That's perfect for me.
Which one is that?
Spicy ragu.
Oh.
And then I would follow it up with a burrata pesto if that's not what you're into. So if you don't eat pork, then go to burrata. Just remove the pancetta. It's still a lovely dish.
Okay.
House plates, I would recommend the crispy chicken salad. So I think it's a nice melt of how much chicken, how much salad you get.
Okay.
Heavy, like it's fried chicken, so it's not something too heavy. It's not something too light either.
Okay.
And then sharing, me, I love the croquettes. My favorite thing I recommend it to everyone. I would also recommend the sharing burrata to go with it. It melts really well with the sauces. Chips, parmesan rosemary, to die for.
It's quite cute, no? Well, obviously. What are you trying? What time is it?
It's 40.
Oh, I'm gonna get my hair done. Today is the day because it's expired. But I feel so tired, and as much as I'm gonna get my hair done, can I tell you that why is a sleep coming in my eyes? Probably by the time I get to the hair shop and she start washing my hair and doing all of that, I'll feel a little bit better. Or I may want to have some Lucozade, something energized, because it's crazy. I was gonna actually take the bus towards where she works, but I am just gonna get the train and make my life a little bit easier, cut off at Streatham Hill, and then from Streatham Hill I can just get a bus down to the shop, and that way it will eliminate me from being late. For those who recently subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much. My name is Tanya. I'm really happy to have you here, and for those who engage with me in the comment section, the same, thank you. I've always said that what we are doing naturally is building a bond and a very strong community, which I do believe in. So let me go, because recently I'm not looking like Joanne's daughter at all. I'm looking really stressed out. So we're just gonna do something. So let's go. I think sometimes when your hair is a little bit like this, it kind of looks even nice too.
Right.
What do you not think?
Because I'm here.
No, like when your hair gets like really floppy and stale.
Yeah, when it's stale, it always look nice.
I think so.
Yeah.
But then again, with us, the same with makeup as well. Do we need makeup? Do I need makeup? I still wear the makeup, you know what I'm saying? I think it's for fashion, but do I really need a makeup? I think I do. Okay, great. All right. Let me go, and I'll touch base with you. I'll be back shortly. All right. Okay. Mother said to be vigilant on the road. I don't know why is it that the rain is a blessing, but honestly, approximately 99% of the time when I'm going to get my hair done, rain falls. And as a female, you know that when you leave the hair shop, you naturally do not want the rain to fall. But it's what it is. The main thing is just to get a little bit of fresh hairstyle, right? Good. So we're gonna do that. So now I think that I'm looking like someone's daughter. Everything is on point. The hair is done. And I should be feeling myself. I should be feeling myself. Because, you know, can't make sure that I look decent enough. Actually, I really hurry up and bought this here on Amazon because obviously I worked full time. I could not be asked. Just went on Amazon, just purchased it. And like, I'm just done our hair. So that's it really, you know. Scottish. Oh, organic. I mean, what's the difference? Don't even know if it's really organic to be fair. I really don't know. But maybe I can get like a free range corn-fed chicken. I have no idea. This looks very nice, but I don't think I would actually drink that to be fair. The pina colada. Interesting. No. It's not really my kind of thing to be fair. I really like buying drinks in these. But I have no idea. Oh, sorry darling. Look for some prawns. There's nothing here. See what I'm looking for. Nada. Oh, what's going on up there? What do you call it? What are these? No. But this is like no. I'll go for like an orange juice. Time to go out. The bag is already heavy. This is one of the reasons why I can't do grocery shopping on my own, and I'm already exhausted. I think it's the chicken that causes it. But I want to go to the station and I've left the Mark and Spencer at Streatham and I'm going to head to the train station now. And one of the reasons why right now the bag is heavy, thank God I'm going to get the train, which will take me home swiftly and closely. Why is everything so expensive? Few little items came £38. It's not even nothing. Gosh. But yeah, I'm gonna go now because the rain is coming down. So this is Streatham Hill Station. I have never really get off here before. I just like go through when I'm going to Clapham Junction and things like that. But obviously it was a route closer to get to my hairdresser today. Naturally, it's me and my mom that normally do everything together. We shop together, whatever. I feel as if when I'm doing the shopping on my own, like part of me is missing, and so I don't have that motivation. And even if I know what the house needs, I'm like, I can't be asked, so I will just pick up what is required or can be utilized at the time. But it's really tiring, and Mark and Spencer is so expensive. But the thing is that they do sell really, I think really like quality stuff and nice juices and whatever and stuff like that. I would not obviously go in there to do luxury shopping at all. No, I ain't gonna play rich because I think that what my bill would have come to, you know, you could literally get that in probably Dell or Asda. I hope I'm at the right platform. She did say platform 2, because you know I always end up at the wrong platform while you're okay. But we're gonna go and yeah, take it from there. But I feel a bit better. The hair is a bit glammed up, so that is not my train, so I need to wait. Okay, so the rain started falling as soon as I get off the train, which thank God I've got an umbrella. I had an umbrella, but whatever. When you've got a bag and whatever, it's just like, yeah. So as usual, whenever the rain touches the hair, it's just done at hand. But the good news is that I'm home and I give God thanks. But also, I don't just want to give you your bedtime stories during the week. I also want to give it to you during the weekend while you press forward and do your weekend activities. So just so you know, this is by Earl Nightingale, this one here that I'm about to read. And it says, he says, all you need is a plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Want to know who is going to change your life? Take a look in the mirror, which means that we all have that potential, the ability. My mom always says, whatever you want in life, you can achieve it once you put your mind to it, and it is true. So, you know, 90% of the things that I didn't achieve is because I didn't put mind to it, you know, to listen to my mom. But as we get older, we grow, we elevate, you know, we're learning and stuff like that. So yeah, but all you need is a plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Yeah, so that's your weekend quotation and motivation. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and for staying connected and for engaging with me in the comment section. I know sometimes as well when I leave comments underneath, you guys post is quite long. That's because I really go depths into watching your videos and I can relate to half of the things that is going on, and also I do enjoy the rest of your videos. So I appreciate your continued loyalty, your love, and yeah, just continue to support one another, okay? Because that is very imperative. Don't be selfish now. You need to support each other and just tap in whenever you can, but don't be forced or don't feel like you're obligated to. Do you know what I'm trying to say? With that being said, I did manage to get the hair glammed up, even though the weather is not, you know, great, but obviously we can't complain all the time. And I'm not going to keep this video pressing on any longer. So I'm just going to close it right here. I wish you guys a fabulous week and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.